Okay, this is something kind of interesting. This is my HP computer, and believe it or not, it makes some weird bird sounds. I don't know why. So I'm just gonna put the camera by the speaker. Maybe you can hear him now. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna put it by the speaker. But you hear several birds in the background. I don't know if it's a virus. Here I'm gonna mute it so you can see that it will quit making them when I mute it. I'll wait till it gets loud again. See, it went away. I'll bring it back. Mute. Unmute. So, I have no idea why my HP computer, which I hate by the way, this computer's been nothing but a piece of junk, and now it's doing this, so, it's kind of weird. Hopefully somebody on YouTube knows, tell me. My guess is some kind of virus. I don't think I have any programs running in the background that would cause anything like this. It's a mystery at this point to me. Hopefully you can hear the birds though. It's like several different birds and like a big crow almost or something, but I don't know how it would happen any other way. I'm kind of confused. Help.